Hello, body fangs walk through the bush. Guys, there's nothing better than getting out of a bloody hot shower there and taking a stroll in the bushes there. Die stoom ry so van jou vel af. But that's not the only thing that gets steamy in the bushes here. Yeah, sometimes they get so hot here under the collar that they just can't help themselves, and you find things like this. Oh, Nunu's gonna see that. Yeah, this is a mini magneto thermo tank. This happens when two tanks tank together and they pump and cause steam. But what is it doing in the bushes? I think we need to go find its parents. I bloody found him. Hier staan die twee stout gatte. The magneto thermo tanks. Like a geyser, but so much better. Let's go have a look. Here in South Africa, the biggest problem is the price of electricity. En dan kom volgende jaar en Eskom runs up to you like a rooikop laaitie met sproete in a sweet shop and says, but so a 40% price increase on electricity. Yeah, you get nervous. You sweating from all orifices and begin drip soos a percolator. You take out the pension fund there, you sell your clean mother's car there, and you pak your hele dak vol solar panels and inverters. Like this. All good and well, it helps. However, a majority of your electricity consumption comes from your geyser. Daai ding gebruik 4000 watt krag net om vir jou 'n bietjie warm water te gee om jou peanuts mee te was. Ja, time to make a plan. Ja, 200 liters of bloody amazing hot water there. The magneto thermo tanks are so amazing, nee. They save you electricity bill by up to 67%, and it only uses 750 watts of krag. Less than your strike iron, and much less than your conventional geyser that uses 4,000 watts of krag. Yeah, it's proudly South African, made here and available right across the country there. Yeah. Soft to the touch there. This thing cannot explode, okay. It doesn't have lime issues on the inside over there. You get a 10-year warranty on the tank and a 3-year warranty on the heat pump there. So how can you go wrong? You can't. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if you're a plumber or if you're a residential homeowner, a commercial property owner, you need to get one of these, okay. Don't go and start up Jenny the Rater over there, think you're gonna spar krag there. You need to get a thermo tank from Magneto. Bloody amazing.